वेलकम टू आवर चैनल लर्निंग वे। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं पीपीएससी पास पेपर 2020 असिस्टेंट एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट। चलते हैं पहले सवाल की जानिब। हु इन्वेंटेड द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब? तो ऑप्शन सी इज़ राइट है, टिम बर्नली। व्हाट इज़ द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल? ऑप्शन बी इज़ राइट है, 180 डिग्रीज। Horticulture is the option A is right है, cultivation of flowers and fruits. The stated purpose of the Indian National Congress at its inception was option B is right है, to protect rights of Hindus. The only Sahabi who was mentioned by the name in the Holy Quran is option C is right है, Hazrat Zaid bin Haris. The crease system is only in option C is right है, Balochistan. Sustainable Development Goals were adopted by the United Nations in 2015 replaced the MDGs. What is the meaning of MDGs? Option A is right. Which of the following vitamin maintain normal clotting of blood? Option D is right है, vitamin K. The first session of All India Muslim League was held at option D is right है, Karachi. Angkor Wat is a option A is right है, temple complex. Name the only Pakistani who served as a Secretary General of OIC. Option B is right है, Sharifuddin Pirzada. The name of All India Muslim League was proposed in 1906 by option C is right है, Sir Muhammad Shafi. The name of cover of Kaaba is option B is right है, Kiswa. The word namaz is repeated for how many times in Holy Quran? Option A is right है, 700 times. Identify the correct spellings. Option A is right, adulterate. Which of the following is not landlocked? Option B is right है, Myanmar. Who invented the modern thermometer? Option D is right है, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. When Hajj was made compulsory? Option A is right है, 9 Hijri. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from membership of Congress in option C is right है, 1920. Taekwondo is a popular form of martial arts. From which country it's originate? Option A is right है, Korea. National Action Plan started in which year? Option B is right है, सन 2015. When Baitul Maqdis was conquered by Hazrat Umar रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु? Option B is right है, 16 Hijri. Which of the following radiation has most energetic photons? Option C is right है, gamma rays. Choose the synonym of partisan. Option B is right है, supporter. The synonym of sexipitable. Option A is right है. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Option D is right है, wheat. Antonym of amicable is option D is right है, hostile. The former world heavyweight boxing champion Muhammad Ali was suffering from option B is right है, Parkinson's. President Idi Amin was forced to exile in 1979. In which country he spent major part of exile period and eventually died? Option D is right है, Saudi Arabia. Member of OIC is total are? Option C is right है, 57. Jamia Millia Islamia was established on? Option A is right है, 1920. The first session of All India Muslim League was presided by, option D is right है, Sir Adamji Peer Bhai. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave the key of Baitullah permanently to whom? Option C is right है, Hazrat Usman bin Talha Raziyallahu anhu. Pakistan considered a bridge between, option B is right है, South Asia and Central Asia. Bondi Beach is located in, option D is right है, Australia. Pakistan won only one gold medal in which sport? Commonwealth Games in 2018. Option C is right है, wrestling. The headquarter of OECD is located in, option B is right है, Paris. Ropal North and Ropal South glacier are in which Himalaya range? Option C is right है, Pakistan. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by adding, option D is right है, sodium carbonate. Permanent hardness of water due to sulfides of metals can be removed by use of, option A is right है, zeolites. Sam is old name of which country? Option B is right है, Thailand. Who is current Minister of Human Rights? Option B is right है, Shiri Mazari. Our Freedom Fighter is written by, option C is right है, G. Alana. In which movie Pakistani actor Sajal Khan worked with Siri Devi? Option A right है, Mom. In which menu can you find feature like slide design, slide layout? Option B is right है, format menu. The synonym of obsolescent is, option C is right है, festiness. Which of the following is not a safeguard of liberty? Option C is right है, concentration of power. The mangrove forests are present in, option B is right है, Sundarbans forest. Vincent van Gogh was prominent in which field? Option C is right है, painter. Gangotri beach is located in which country? Option C is right है, India. The term butterfly is associated with, option A is right है, swimming. 2 and 2 dash 4, option A is right है, make. Basharul Assad is the current president of, option B is right है, Suraiya. Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated to Rawalpindi on 16 October, option B is right है, 1951. First head of state to visit Pakistan in 1947 was, option A is right है, Amir of Kuwait. What is Kimberley in Africa famous for? Option D is right है, diamond. Who was the first defense minister of Pakistan? Option C is right है, Liaquat Ali Khan. Which is the oldest mosque on the earth? Option A is right है, Kaaba Baitullah. The synonym of radiant is, option B is right है, glowing. Which of the following is not a Shakespeare tragedy? Option D is right है, none of the above. What is the synonym of profane? Option A is right है, irreverent. Why political party of India commanded the Act of 1935? Option A is right है, it does not possess nature of federation. Name of the wife of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was daughter of Hazrat Umar Farooq? Option C is right है, Hazrat Hafsa. Which year was Dr. Abdul Salam Award Nobel Prize? Option B is right है, 1979. He is knocking dash the door. Option B is right at. Union Jack is the name of flag of which country? Option A is right United Kingdom. Who represented Congress in first round table conference? Option D is right nobody represented Congress. Complete the proverb. Early to bed and early to rise make healthy, wealthy and wise. Option C is right. Which device is required for internet connection? Option A is right modem. The first women bank was established in 1989 at option D is right Karachi. Which memory function has a buffer between CPU and storage? Option C is right cache memory. Which of the following country is not member of BRICS? Option B is right Canada. Quetta city was completely destroyed due to earthquake in option C is right 1935. The first lady prime minister belonged to which country? Option A is right Sri Lanka. Shortest tenure as Governor General of Pakistan is option D is right Iskandar Mirza. First coin of Pakistan was designed by option A is right Brandley. Find the missing number. Option B is right 31. Archery is the national sport of option B is right Bhutan. The zoo had some lions and some parrots. The supervisor counted 15 heads and 15 legs. How many lions were there? Option B is right 10. Complete the series 4, 10, 28, 82. Option D is right 244. The car dash front is slowing down. Option A is right in. In which surah of Holy Quran said about shirk that is zulme azim? Option C is right Luqman. Bile is stored in. Option C is right gallbladder. Second constitution of Pakistan was enforced on. Option C is right 8 June. Who was the last king of Afghanistan? Option B is right Muhammad Zahir Shah. Who was the penultimate Viceroy of India? Option C is right Lord Wavell. Comments put in cell are called. Option B is right cell tip. Where Guri Dam is located? Option B is right Venezuela. Solved 3 over 5 equal to. Option B is right 0.6. बाबाए उर्दू बाबाए कौम मादरे मिलत दख्तर मशरक कवायद की रूह से हैं. ऑप्शन बी इज़ राइट लकब. तस्दीक का मतजाद लफ्ज़ क्या है? ऑप्शन सी इज़ राइट तकज़ीब. बासलामत रवी सफ़रनामा किसकी तसनीफ़ है? ऑप्शन बी इज़ राइट कर्नल मोहम्मद ख़ान. गज़ल के किस शेर में शायर अपना तखल्लुस इस्तेमाल करता है? ऑप्शन सी इज़ राइट मक्ता. ये शेर किसका है? दियारे इश्क में अपना मकाम पैदा कर, नया ज़माना नया सुबह शाम पैदा कर. ऑप्शन डी इज़ राइट अल्लामा इकबाल. ताउस फ़कत रंग नावल किसने लिखा है? ऑप्शन ए इज़ राइट नीलम अहमद बशीर. तफले मकतब तरकीब का मफहूम है? ऑप्शन बी इज़ राइट ना तजर्बाकार. मसद्दसे हाली साल में शाया हुई? ऑप्शन ए इज़ राइट 1879. तखरीब का मतजाद क्या है? ऑप्शन बी इज़ राइट तामीर. आबे कौसर और मौजे कौसर किसकी किताबें हैं? ऑप्शन डी इज राइट है, शेख मोहम्मद इकराम।
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel Learning Way.